Okay, guys, welcome back, and this is the lecture number 20. And today we'll discuss about the expanded accounting equation, right? So, the basic equation is that capital is equal to asset minus liability. This is your equation, right? This is your basic equation that capital is equal to asset minus liability. So they show that whatever the business owns, which means asset, minus what it owes, which we call as liability, belong to the owner as a capital. So when you deduct this liability from the asset, then you will have capital, and the capital belongs to the owner. Now let's expand this and elaborate this, that capital is not just a fixed number, it changed with a business activity. So we expand it as owner capital as let me write it here, that owner capital is equal to, I'll write here, this is your owner capital, and this owner capital is equal to capital, I think it's not working properly, capital invested plus profit and less drawing. If you see here, owner capital is equal to capital invested plus profit less drawing. So what each part means, let me explain. The capital invested means that the money or resources the owner puts into the business. The money or resources the owner put into the business, and that will be your capital invest. Okay. And what is profit? This one. So when you earn, or the business earn, when income is greater than expense, then we call that as your profit. Let's say your income is 50 and your expenses, let's say 30, then you will have a profit of 20. So that is the part of the owner capital. Okay. Then definitely you will have drawing. Drawing means that the money or goods the owner takes out for personal use, which reduce this capital, this owner capital. So definitely we will deduct this amount. So what we have understand here, that when the owner invests money, then that will be, let this one. If the owner invest, then that money we call capital invested. When they earn income and income is greater than expenses, then we call that as a profit. And if the owner take, or you may say, the money for the personal use, then which reduced definitely the owner capital, and that we call is the drawing. And after capital investment and profit less drawing, we will have owner capital, right? Okay, now let's move on. We have the profit. Let me explain more. So profit itself is another equation, which actually I have written that one, but let me write it here. That profit itself is another equation. This will be, the profit will be equal to your income less expenses. And if you see here, this is your income and this is your expenses, and you will have a profit of this 20, right? So the expanded equation, which means that when we combine all these elements and the equation, so the equation will become like this. You see here, asset less liability is equal to capital invested plus your income less your expenses less your drawing. So this version reflects the real flow of transaction in a business, not just a static balance. So this is your equation. The equation can be rearranged here. You can arrange in a way which you want. Okay. So here is just the alternative, a rearrangement that you can do whenever if you want to know about your asset, then you arrange in a way that give you this output. If you want drawing, then definitely you arrange that way. And this is the end of this lecture. So what we have understand, that think of your business like a box. Inside the box, or your asset means, let's say we have cash, furniture, stock, and outside of the box you have your liabilities like your loans, your creditors. So whatever is left after paying debt is your capital. But capital isn't fixed. It's grow with or when you earn income, shrink when you spend, or spend on expenses, and drops when you take drawing. So that is why we expand the equation. It tells the full story of how money moves in and out of the business. Okay. So we have understand clearly. Let me just read it out here. The simple. Let me read this first. This one. Okay. So what we have understand here, the expanded accounting equation about expanded accounting equation, and we have understand clearly that what was the basic equation and then how it is expanded. So you have understand that let me read it out. Oh my God, let me read it out here that a simple accounting equation that a capital is equal to asset less liability. The capital belongs to the business owner. We understand this. Capital consists of the amount owner has invested into the business plus any profit made by the business minus any money that owner have taken out of the business, which we call drawing. So we have understand this thing, and this is just the equation form. Profit made by the business are the outcome of income after deducting all its expenses. So profit is actually the income less expense, and then you will have a profit. The expanded account equation, once the above element are included, so you will have this equation: asset plus drawing plus expenses. We will have capital invested plus liability plus income. Okay, so this is the end of this today lecture. Thank you for watching.